No, absolutely. I think like if 10 years ago, if you remember booking travel, right? So you would punch in your, select where you want to go, book a flight, and then off goes your credit card details to the hotel or to the airline, and who would charge it on their end. And that had a lot of friction, obviously, because you're not being charged at the time of booking. You don't know when when you're going to charge. If you have a cancellation, you don't know when you're going to get refunded. If you have any issues with the payment itself. So with obviously over the last years, we have seen online travel agencies actually processing payments, which is obviously a much better customer experience because you know exactly when you're going to be charged. When there's a cancellation, you have instant cancellations. You can track your refunds if you have any issues. Now you have access to more alternate forms of payment, right? So there has been a whirlwind of change in the travel, which has taken maybe a bit longer than it should have, but just because a lot of parties involved. But again, it's been great. It's kind of like the Uber, what the vision they created, and it's coming to travel as well. Yeah, a lot of obviously exciting opportunities coming when you obviously process the payments and improve the payment experience greatly. So I think the story makes sense, right? Like travel is a high-ticket item, so you would love to, obviously it's a big purchase for a lot of folks. You want to spread it over installments, right? Our travelers, whenever we have offered buy now, pay later in checkout, we almost see 20-25% of our customers said that yes, they want to pay over multiple installments. But again, the challenge over here, as you alluded to, the macroeconomic conditions, travel is an extremely low margin business. It's extremely competitive, it's extremely low margin. Now for buy now, pay laters to underwrite this, they cannot have high authorization rates, right? So that's what the challenge is, how can you actually offer this service for low margin verticals and keep significantly high authorization rates so that you don't have a bad customer experience. So the story is clear, the need is clear, customers want it, we know it from the checkout, but actually how is more of a seamless experience when users adopt it, also given the backdrop of macroeconomic conditions, increase in interest rate, and I think that's obviously developing quite a bit. So customer need is there, we need to find the right solution to solve for that. No, absolutely. I think I've been attending for the last 3 years, and it's great because you get to meet your peers from other companies, other merchants, like Spotify, Netflix, Wayfair, I sort of all meet them. But it's also good to meet partners. It's one place where you all come together, you have providers, partners, investors, right? So it's a great opportunity for all of us in the same space to come together, have a chat, catch up, build new partnerships, and I'm really excited and I'm always enjoy coming to Money20.